Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today, and welcome back to another top 5 video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top 5 cannabis stocks to buy. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. It's free for only 4 more days, so check it out. So now to jump into it, the top 5 cannabis stocks to buy. Roll the intro, let's go. Bam! Alrighty guys, so starting off with the top cannabis stock here to buy, we have ticker symbol CGC, Canopy Growth Corporation. You guys can see that there is some clear resistance here at around 26.17. We've had some real explosion in buying pressure lately because of the presidential election, and I do think that marijuana or cannabis stocks are going to have a great future. I think there's a huge demand for them, and I do think with the president that's coming in office, that brings a lot of opportunity for this whole sector as a whole. So now this is one of the front runners here. This is one of the strongest performers, good numbers. Now the thing about marijuana or cannabis stocks here, most cannabis stocks are not profitable yet. So with that being said, I think it's always smart to look at the fundamentals too before investing in them. And cannabis stocks definitely carry a lot of risk, but also some reward. So it's smart to have a base of blue chip stocks, ETFs, or even bonds here. But you guys can see we do have some strong resistance here at 26. The stock is breaking out above it. So there's two things that could happen here. We could get a little curl down here, and this old resistance could turn to new support for the stock, and we could get more buying pressure coming back into it and get a run up to about $30 a share. I think that is a very strong possibility here. Or what we could happen is another fall. This old resistance acts as new support, but now it's just a little bit lower price zone at around $25. I think both are good entries, but both carry excellent long-term potential in my opinion here. But support for this stock here is around $23. So you guys can see resistance here at 26, support here at 23. Moving on to the next one here, we have Tilray. Now Tilray was one of these stocks here when the cannabis sector went off about a year and a half ago. This stock rallied up to $300 a share and then really has been selling off ever since. Now they are in the works of working with Budweiser for a cannabis infused drink. I think that's a really cool thing, but the thing about this company is they are burning through a lot of money, but I still think there is some future for them here. But basic support here at $6.17, resistance here at $8, and you could make good solid swing trades just by knowing that. But you guys can see that we had this huge buying pressure. Stock went from around $7 all the way up to about 11 or 12 bucks a share. Now the reason why that happened was because of the presidential election here. Now the next one here, stock number 3, we have ticker symbol APHA. You guys can see that really lately the stock kind of just been consolidating. Yeah, maybe we are getting a little bit of a downward trend, but I do think there is a reversal coming. So when looking at it here, you guys can see that we have some short-term upward buying pressure, which is really, really strong. Resistance here is going to be coming in at around $7.37. Supports down here at $4.30. This company is growing at a pretty rapid rate and has better numbers than Tilray, so I do think this is a good contender for the cannabis sector. Now, moving on to probably one of the most hyped up cannabis stocks here is Planet 13, ticker symbol PLNHF. Now, this is a Las Vegas cannabis company that's actually performing extremely well. I do think this company carries a lot of long and short-term potential. I would not be surprised seeing the stock come up to about $5 to $5.50 by mid next year. I think that's a very strong possibility. This stock has a beautiful upward trend. Some resistance here at $4.25 here. You guys can see it broke out, had a beautiful resistant breakout. I do think we'll probably get a little selling pressure coming back in, and it'll use this old resistance as some new support here. But if that's, say, we get a breakdown of that, strong support will be coming in at around $4 a share. I think that would be a perfect buy zone. The stock does carry a lot of long-term potential here. Nice upward trend, good numbers for this one too. Now the last and final stock here is GW Pharmaceuticals here. You guys can see this is a little more expensive stock, but the fundamentals are pretty decent here. So let's draw out this resistance here at around $142. Support is all the way down here at 87. This stock is kind of trading sideways, but you guys can see it definitely has some room from 127 to around 140. I think that's a very strong possibility of this stock coming back up to this old resistance. I think that with the whole demand of the cannabis sector, I think that a lot of stocks here are going to perform extremely well, but a lot of it is picking and choosing the proper one. So it's always smart to diversify and have a little defense in your portfolio. That's what I can recommend doing. But always look at the fundamentals here. But those were the top 5 cannabis stocks that I am looking at to buy. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Stay safe out there. Take care.